Hi guys, doing and welcome to another ARC Garage video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to replace front and rear badges on your car. The process that you're going to see in today's video can be used to basically replace the badges on any Alfa Romeo model. In one of our previous videos when I did the headlight restoration on this Alfa Romeo GT, I also replaced the badges, so we're not going to be replacing them on this car, but rather on my Alfa Romeo 147. My process is a bit more complicated, but it will give you a great looking long lasting results. If we take a look at the front badge on this Alfa Romeo 147, you can see that it's badly faded. It's one of the common issues on all Alfa Romeos, I guess because of the complexity of the logo, but I could be wrong. Whatever it is, it looks bad and we have to replace it. So we are basically gonna go from this right here to this in only 30 minutes of work. To do this job properly, you're gonna need several things. The first one is heat gun, or if you don't have one, you can use a regular hair dryer. You are also gonna need some Alfa Romeo badges, of course. I've decided to go for this new design because I think it actually looks good. You're gonna need some fabric tape. I'm using it in this case to prevent the damage to surrounding plastic. Some double-sided tape and a can of automotive clear coat. I'm actually using the clear coat because I know that these badges are gonna fade after year and a half. The last thing you are going to need is a regular small flathead screwdriver to help you remove the old badges. Alright, let's get started. The first thing I'm gonna do, I'm gonna apply some of the fabric tape to the bottom right here to prevent any damage to the plastic. Now I'm gonna use my heat gun to gently heat up the old badge. Take your small flathead screwdriver and carefully pry off the old badge. Alright, now that I got the old badge off, I'm gonna remove my fabric tape and the old glue. I'm moving on to the rear badge. It doesn't look as bad as the front one, but it's starting to fade and I want them to match. I'm gonna use my fabric tape again and the small flathead screwdriver. These badges that I sourced don't have no protection whatsoever. If I remove this protective plastic right here, you'll see that they're not cleared over. Because of that, I have to apply 2 layers of clear coat, otherwise they'll fade away after year and a half, or maybe even sooner if you live in an area with a harsh sun. It would be best to apply 2 layers of clear in warm weather to prevent the orange peel. If it's not warm, make sure to heat up your spray can in warm water. Now I'm gonna apply 1 good layer of clear and I'm gonna let it dry for approximately 10 minutes. Here goes the second layer. Now I'm gonna let it dry for another 10 minutes and I'm done. Here's the final result. The badges came out great. As you can see, there's virtually no orange peel and I'm more than happy with the results. Before I put the badges back on the car, I'm gonna apply another layer of double-sided tape to the outer edge. We're gonna start with the back. Make sure that the surface is clean and locate this little hole right here. It's basically there to help you position the badge properly. Now this pin on the badge itself goes inside of it, and it basically prevents the badge from being crooked. Now position the pin properly, press on the badge, and you are basically done. Moving on to the front, we're gonna repeat the same process. Align the hole with a pin and press on the badge. Make sure that you do not press too hard because you can easily distort them since they are made from thin aluminum. And that is it, we are done. The new badges look great, and since I clear coated them, I know that they last for a very long time. That would be it for this video. If you liked it, hit like button and support our channel by subscribing and by sharing our content.